Please subscribe and click the hype and like button to get more content like this. Before we start, a quick disclaimer. Everything demonstrated in this video is strictly for educational purposes. To show you how to protect yourself, all demonstrations are performed in a controlled lab environment on our own testing devices. We never target real users, and using this knowledge to gain unauthorized access to actual people or systems is strictly illegal and unethical. In this demonstration, we will use Shell GPT to perform operating system discovery. To begin, open your terminal in Kali Linux. First, we need to create a file. Type the following command, nanoscan1.txt. Press enter. We will name the file scan1.txt. Inside this file, enter 3 target IP addresses. I am using 10.0.2.2, 10.0.2.3, 10.0.2.15. After entering the IP addresses, press the following key combination on your keyboard to save the file. Ctrl+X, then press Y, and finally enter. Your file is now saved. To verify, use the following command, catscan1.txt. You will now see the 3 IP addresses listed in the terminal. Next, we're going to use Shell GPT. Start by entering the following command, sgpt-chat scan-shell. Then, type the following prompt in double quotes. Use Nmap script engine to perform OS discovery on the target IP addresses in scan1.txt. Then press enter. Type capital E when prompted and press enter. You may encounter an error message initially. If that happens, just try again. Press enter. Type capital E when prompted and press enter. You will notice that Shell GPT begins the process. The output is as follows. It shows port 135 for 45, 1042, 1043, and 7778 of TCP are open. Detected virtualization components are Oracle VirtualBox, Slurp by Danny Gasparovsky, and QEMU networking. For the second IP address, 10.0.2.3, we can see AT&T embedded with a 96% accuracy, followed by QEMU and Oracle VirtualBox at 95%. For the third IP address, 10.0.2.15, host is reachable, but all 1000 scan TCP ports are either closed or filtered, providing no response to the scan. And that's how you can perform OS discovery using the Nmap scripting engine through Shell GPT.